South Korea, they are actually a lot of modern, like they have a lot of equipments we can use in our day to daily life, and they are like foldable. We can use it, and after that we can sit in even smaller to small places. Um, even people also get a lot of modern right in a way, like traveling or what can I say?
What do you think about the lifestyle of the people?
It has upgraded a lot, like going to club or doing a lot of parties or night outs or doing or
Sleep.
what uh,
Sleep. What do you think about the sleep?
uh, about
Sleep. Sleeping.
sleeping.
Hmm.
Nowadays um, it had it was getting a lot bit minimized, right? In a lot people are like watching horror movies or going to the parties at late night shows, and they did not get a lot of sleep, right? Anyway, even I saw a lot of people, right? They slept at 2 or 3 p.m., right? At the night they are watching some web series. Now the web it was a famous topic now in a days, like web series, webtoons, dramas, animation. People start people started to watch it at the night, even a lot of videos, movies,